Good evening, everyone. Uh, I am Arnab, currently working in a MNC. Okay. Previously, also have the teaching experience of almost 3.5 years. Okay. I taught so many students so far, and in this platform, I am actually getting the opportunity to teach you guys. This is the demo session I am giving on Java 17 enhancement. Okay, Java 17 enhancement. Uh, anyone, guys? Anyone? How many of you have the knowledge on Java at least? Then Java 17. First, you tell me you have the knowledge on Java. Then there is a question, Java 17 or not. So it is what? Java 17 enhancement. Okay. So currently in the market, there is a very trending topic for Java, that is Spring Boot. Spring Boot. Do you know Spring Boot is recent version? That is recently it launched the version 4. Okay, version 4. But it is still not stable version. So whatever the version earlier we are using in the industry, that is Spring Boot 3. Okay, 3.x. 3.x. Do you know 3.x minimum requirement of Java version is 17. Yes, minimum requirement for Java version is Java 17. That's why it's a huge thing. That means it's very important to learn the Java 17 features. Okay, so it's very important to learn the Java 17 features. Because if you don't know the Java 17 features, then what will happen? If you don't know the Java 17 features and still using the lower versions features, then you are actually not utilizing the complete power of the Java. Okay, so that's why it's important to understand the Java 17. But still, there may be some question from your end. Why to learn the Java in this particular section or in the era of AI? Why we are going for Java? Why we are going for the Java 17 even? Yes, some of you may ask the question, why to go for Java? Okay, and do you know also the latest version of the Java LTS latest version is a Java 21. Then why not 21? Why you are going for the 17? So I hope I have already given this answer, because Spring Boot 4 is not the stable version. Okay, very soon it will be taken by the industry also, but still it needs some time. So when it will come, obviously we will take another session on the 21. But at this moment, 17 is the most important LTS version. Okay, and then there is a question, why to go for the Java in the era of AI? Actually, whenever you are going for the AI, okay, whenever you are going for the AI, that is, AI is currently evolving so much. Okay, but still, Java 17 is better choice. Why? Because sometimes even I'm telling this from my personal experience. ChatGPT or any AI tool, not only ChatGPT, any AI tool, you take any AI tool, that is actually not giving the 100% correct response, 100% not optimized. Okay, so any model you take from the internet, it is not 100% optimized. If you are utilizing your brain, obviously you are getting the better performance. And how to use your brain, that you will learn in this session. That means you will be doing better than AI. Yes, believe yourself, you will be doing better than AI. You have to focus in this class, and better you enjoy the session. Okay, before I need your focus. You have to enjoy the session. Then you will understand what the thing you will get from this session and not from the any AI tool. Okay, then at the end of this session, automatically you will get the answer why to go for Java in the era of AI. Okay, next another question is, why only Java 17 version I am taking? First of all, it is the LTS version. LTS means what? Long term support. That means Oracle people is giving the update, regular update for the Java 17. That means if any bug is there from the Oracle end, then they are going to provide the update. Okay, they are going to provide the uh, they are going to fix the error. Okay, but it is not true at this moment, because let me show you. If I check for Oracle website, so Oracle, or better to say Java archive. So you see this page, Java, Java download. Okay. So here you can see there is only Java 21, JDK 21 support. So it is the current LTS version. Okay. It is the current LTS version. So currently the latest LTS version is what? Java 21. Okay. Java 21. So still that means what is the situation? Java 17 update we are not getting. Java 17 update we are not getting. But the thing is, the latest Java 17 version, whatever we have, the latest Java 17 version is very good. Is good enough. Okay, that means in Spring Boot 3 actually the minimum version was 17. Okay, in Spring Boot 4 that is recently launched, the version is 21, and we will very soon we will give you another session on 21. But at this moment, if you don't know the updation happened in the 17, you cannot handle that 21 very well. Fine. So that's why we have to learn the 17 first. And one more thing, before this 17, anybody, do you know what is the LTS version before 17? Anybody, guys? I am giving you the opportunity to spam the chat box. Before 17, what is the latest? What is the LTS version? Yes, some people are giving the response. Others. Yes, yes, spam the chat box. Yes, very good, very good. So many people are giving the response, that is 11. Very good. 11 is the LTS version before 17. And before 11, anybody? Before 11? Yes, exactly. All of you are correct. That is Java 8. Java 8. Before Java 8, actually the Java belongs to Sun microsystem. So we will not go to that era. Currently, I am going to discuss about this 8, 11 and 17. Okay. So whenever we are going to the 8, Java 8, that is actually JDK 1.8. So that is also one beautiful version. Beautiful version. Okay. So any new version is coming, we have to accept. That means obviously there is some new feature that will reduce the developer's effort. Yes, developer's effort. So that's why any new version is coming, not only 8 and 11. I'm talking about the minor versions. That means 9, 10, then 12, 13, etc. All the version. Any new version is coming, immediately we have to achieve the new features. Why? Any new feature is coming means definitely some advantage or some effort at least will be reduced by this JDK version. Okay. So whenever I'm talking about 8 to 11, obviously some enhancement is there. Whenever I'm talking about 11 to 17, obviously another enhancement is there. Okay. Now, currently, my topic of discussion is 11 to 17. Understood? 11 to 17. If you need to know 8 to 11, then you contact to our team, or you can even mention in the chat box. If you are seeing this video from anywhere else, then you comment there. Okay. So if you need this information, then you do this. Otherwise, currently our topic of discussion is to 11 to 17 updation. That means any beautiful features are there between 11 to 17. We are going to focus here. And obviously, believe me, the session will be very enjoyable. Okay. Now, can anyone, guys, tell me what are the features we are going to discuss here? Anybody? What are the features we are going to discuss here? What are the features? Anybody? Anybody? You may think I am mad. I'm not discussing 17 and I am asking the question, what will be the topic? Actually, somewhere you definitely got some update from our end. Our team definitely give you some update. That is, we are going to discuss enhanced switch expression. Okay, enhanced switch expression. Okay, then now are you getting the hint? Are you getting the hint? What will be the next? We will see the text blocks. Okay, we will see the text blocks. These are new features, and I will mention the version also. Okay, then we will see record class. Okay, record class. Then we will see uh, another usage of instance of. Okay, we all know instance of. If you don't know, then also no need to worry. So instance of operator is there, but it is enhanced. Okay, some more feature is there. And my favorite, sealed class. Okay, a beautiful discussion will be there in the sealed class. Okay. Okay, so let me dive into these topics one by one. Okay, and believe me, these are very easy. Very easy. Just listen and enjoy. The very easy topic. Okay, switch expression, enhanced switch expression. And this is actually standard in Java 14. Understood, guys? Java 14. So this feature I'm taking from which version? 14. Available in 17 years or not? Yes, it is available in 17. Any feature that is available in X version should be available in X plus version also. Okay. Sometimes it may happen that some feature is deprecated, but this is major enhancement. So it is actually coming in Java 14 and in LTS version now, 17 LTS version. So it is there. So how to use this? Let me take a Java file. So I'm taking this and here our favorite public static void. Even we don't know Java, we know what public static void is. Some people, even arts people, I have seen my arts people, arts friends, okay, are learning geography honors, and they also don't. They also know public static void. I'm asking, what is this? I don't know, but they know at least public static void. So suppose in IT sector, in any IT industry, Saturday and Sunday is weekend. How many of you know Saturday and Sunday is weekend? Tell me. Saturday, Sunday, weekend or not? All of you are thinking to join in the IT industry and you are going to enjoy these 2 days, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, very good. You are going to a date or beautiful scenarios you are going to plan, na? When you will join. So we are going to do this. So suppose a switch expression I am taking, a switch. Okay. So switch result. Switch result. Okay. The switch result. Now see how I am writing this. Sorry, it is not switch result, it is string result. Now see how I am writing this. String result is equal to switch, then a day. Sorry, day, not date. So day. Inside this, I'm writing if a case is a Saturday or Sunday, then you are going for a date. Okay, so you are going for a date, or you are at least planning for a date. Okay, otherwise if it is a case, suppose Monday, so it is a very bad day. Why Monday is a very bad day? Because after weekend you have to go to office in the Monday, then whenever you will go now you will feel that. If you are not in the IT sector you cannot feel. So Monday means those Saturday Sunday was beautiful days. But Monday means sleep not completed yet. Fine or not? Sleep not completed yet. Okay. Otherwise, let us find. That means a default case. A default case means now fine. So you are returning what? You are returning working. You are telling to this to your girlfriend, okay, or boyfriend. So I'm working. Any message is coming, replying is working. Okay, and now what you have to do? Take the input. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner, and now it is your favorite line system.in. Okay, and now what will happen? A string day you have to take as sc dot next, and now this portion you know, and you have to import this. So import java dot util dot, I'm writing star, you can write java dot util dot scanner also, no problem. And finally I am going to print system dot out dot print. Okay, system.out.print or println anything, then you are printing, just simply you are printing this result. Okay, now you see this code. If this is not a Java 14, if it is Java 13, now what to do inside this switch case? First, you have to take one string result. Then inside switch, you are writing so many cases. Then inside this arrow things are not there. Arrow things are not there. Curly braces or flower braces you have to use. Inside that, you have to write the return statement, and not only return. If you are doing some calculation related things, you have to break the statements also. Yes or not, guys? Sir, guys, can you confirm? Can you spam the chat box? Is it understandable? I'm going to execute this. Guys, respond, guys. Some beautiful guys are telling what only Sunday is the beautiful day. Same to you guys. Now this I am saving in my desktop. This must be test.java. Fine. Now how to execute this? Right click, open in terminal. That means open the location in terminal. Then Java C test.java. Any compilation? Yes, some error. My bad. In switch case, one semicolon is required. Okay. Now again Java C test.java. Acha. These are strings now. These are strings. So I have to mention. These as strings. So my bad. These are strings. Otherwise, it will think it is variable. Okay. So these are strings. Save this. Okay. Compiled fine. Now Java test. Okay. It is asking for the day. Okay, guys. Can you give me a day? That means I am not asking for your day. Just give me the input. Yes, line number 8 I will explain. Just hold on. Can you give me a day? Your favorite is what? Sunday, na? You written. So Sunday. Okay, going for a date. Enjoy it, guys. Again, Java test. It is your Monday. Sleep not completed yet. Okay, again Java test. It is your Saturday. Going for a date. Okay, again Java test. You are writing something else like Tuesday. You are giving. So it is you are working. Okay, now line number 8, some people are asking, that is line number 8 is nothing. You are actually using the enhanced switch. Okay, in the enhanced switch, actually what is happening? After arrow, whatever you are writing, now that will be returned. Okay, that will be returned. Okay, it is similar to inside. Just I'm replacing this. Okay, just to see. It is similar to this. Okay, even this code will also work. Okay. Now the thing is, if you are writing this arrow, then this return keyword is not required. That is the only thing. Now this complete switch expression must return something, or sometimes it throw some exception. Okay, that is another story. We are not going to discuss the exception part here. Now it will return some data based on the data you are passing inside switch. It will at least return some data. Now that data will be assigned to the string result. Now simply we are printing the result here. Okay, guys. Any doubt? Otherwise, we will move to the next feature. Any doubt, guys? Now, which feature you learned here? Java 8 feature. Okay, Java 8 feature you learned here. Okay. So for some purpose, I am keeping a note here, but I don't know admin team will provide this or not. But for some reason, at least I am taking the note here. Okay. Now, next feature is text box. Text box. This is also very beautiful feature. Earlier, this was there only in the, that means not only, earlier this feature was there in the Python. Okay. Some people, I hope you know the Python. Some of you may know the Python. Now, in case of Python, you can write a multi-line statements. Okay. I'm not going to teach the Python. The thing is, a text block introduced in, do you know, Java 15. Java 15. Fine. So Java 15. Earlier it was what? Java 14. So now it is Java 15. So what is the feature? Very simple feature. Very simple feature. That means earlier in Java, any Java version, any string you are writing means must be in a single line. Must be in a single line. Like going for a date, you are writing in a single line. Na? But can you write this like this? No. Can you write this? Yes or not? You cannot write this. You cannot write this. Okay. Compilation error. Compilation error. Token in token state it is error. Okay. Token cannot be generated. If you see this, I'm trying to compile Java C test.java. Before that CLS. Yes. Can you see? Okay. Unclosed string literal something for what is a. Okay. So this is some error. But I want to say this is fine. Now that's why multi-line string you have to write. How to write this? Very simple. Achha, before that, I want to confirm the Java version. I have not shown it in my system. Default Java version. Sorry, default Java version. Okay. CLS set path is equal to this. Now what will happen? Java hyphen version 17. Okay, Java C version 17. Fine. By the way, let me show you the previous case. Otherwise, you will tell me what this is not the Java 17 feature. It is already there in the upcoming version 22 feature like this. But let me show you Java C test.java and Java test Sunday. Fine button. Okay. Focus here. Going for a date, I want to write in a multiple line. Okay. Or not write this. I'm writing going for a date and don't want to do anything else. Don't want to do anything else. Okay. Now how to write in this way? Not possible before Java 15. Can you see? Not possible before Java 15. So here simple thing is use 3 times. Okay, use this double quote 3 times. Now see what is happening. Okay, now Java C. One more problem. What is this? Illegal text block. Okay, illegal text block. That means there is some rule. What is the rule? So missing line terminator. How to write this? Now write this in this way. Or let me simplify this. Comment out this whole thing. Suppose string message you are going to send to your girlfriend or you are going to send to your boyfriend, whatever. Inside this, I'm writing going for a date, don't want to do anything else. No, it is you are not writing actually to this boyfriend or girlfriend, anyone else actually. If your friend is asking something, then you are going to give this response. Yes or not? By the way, then print this. Okay, let me simplify this. That's why I want to simplify this. That's why. Okay, save this. Java C test.java. Okay, no error. Now Java test. Yes. Okay, guys, are you getting this? Similar type of things is possible in some other programming languages also. Java also given this feature like this. Okay, and as there is some tabs, okay, some spaces before each line, so that's why this is coming here. Okay, guys, everyone respond. Are you satisfied up to this? Is this understand? Is this understood? Okay, so this is another feature, text block. That means use this double quote 3 times. Use this double quote 3 times. Fine, guys. Respond. Very good. Very good response, guys. And now record class. Anyone, can you guess the person? If you know at least anyone. Let me tell you. Java 16. Okay. So it is Java 16, Java 16 enhancement. In Java 16 it is there. So that's why the Java 17 also it is there. Record class is very interesting. Why? Before Java 16, there are so many types of classes. Like you can like simple class, like that means what? It is it is concrete class. You can write abstract class. That means what? It is abstract class. You can write interface. So it is interface class. Okay. So all these are classes, because compile everything, you will get dot class file. So all these are classes. Okay. Now upcoming version, inner class enhancement. Okay. Then now you are getting a record class. Okay. Okay. Annotation also there. Annotation. So that's why annotation is also a class. Okay. Okay, so all these are types of classes. So similarly, in Java 16, another type of class is introduced. That is what? Record class. What is the meaning of record class? What is the meaning of record? What is the meaning of record, guys? That means you want to store something. Yes, you are storing something in database. Some of you have already learned. You are storing something, some data, particular data you are storing. Okay. Earlier days, say there are some record CD devices. Okay, records. Okay, we play the records in the players. By the way, now in Java, what is record class? Obviously, record keyword is available. Okay, record keyword is available. Now, how to use this? Another type of class, na? So that's why I'm writing a separate class. Okay, so we cannot write multiple public class in the same Java file. That's why I'm not writing this as public. I'm writing simple record. Okay, so record, suppose user I am taking. Okay, now before I show you the actual record user, let me write what is the alternate of this before Java 16. Okay, before Java 16, you are writing a class user. Then inside this, you are taking some non-static properties like private string name. Okay, then you are taking private int, then age, like this. Then you are taking private string citizenship. Okay, citizenship, like this, something you are taking. Okay, in this way, what is the problem? The problem is you are getting the generator as setters and getters. Okay, so these are actually called accessors. I'm writing getter and a setter. Fine. What is the problem? The problem is, if you are changing any property name, suppose you are changing this name into username, then you have to regenerate the getter and setter for username. Is that correct? Is that correct? Yes. So if you are writing the, if you are changing any non-static property, then for getter and setter, you have to change this. Moreover, you can have the constructors. Okay, constructors. What will happen in case of record? Simply remove all this. Okay, just to see what will happen. Just to see, you are writing a record user, then you are opening this like method. Okay, you are opening the moon bracket, moon braces. Okay, these are called moon braces. Sometimes people say fast bracket, anything. So inside this, you are writing string name, then you are writing int age, then you are writing string citizenship. Understood? Then simply open and close the flower braces. Understood, guys? Now what will happen? Automatically all arg constructor, all getters will be generated. Just up to this, have you understood? Automatically all arg constructor and getters will be generated. Understood, guys? Automatically all arg constructor means what? That means to create the user object, you need to provide all these values. Okay, now let me show you one example, then you will understand. I am removing this class user, and here I am creating one user object. How to create user object? User is equal to new user. Okay, simple as your public class earlier you have used, but in this case you have to provide all these values. Okay, so here you are providing your name. Okay, you are providing your name. I am giving my favorite character. Okay, I am giving my favorite character, and do you know What is my favorite character? Myself. Myself. Okay, you can give your girlfriend name or boyfriend name. Okay, as some people can give your favorite person name. No problem. Now, what is our age? What is our age? My age is as only 5 years. Okay, my age is 5 years. Citizenship. And suppose it is NRI. NRI. Fine. Now, now I am writing system.out.println, and no, I am lazy. That's why copy paste. Okay. I hope you will not scold me. Okay. Now, if this type of things you are doing for simple user class, do you know what will happen? Whenever you are printing this any object, then some uh something will be printed, like hash code, class name, something will be printed. Okay, that is another story. Object class toString method will be discussed in depth some another session. But in this case, it is quite shocking. See, I am just trying to compile this. Okay, no error, no error. Now Java test. Are you getting this, guys? First of all, you tell me, is this expected? Is this expected for a normal class? Tell me. I have not done so many things. Even I am using this Notepad plus plus, so that you cannot tell me that I have done some kind of modification in the ID. I am not using any ID. Okay. So the thing is, automatically toString also overridden. Sorry, toString also overridden. Object plus toString method also overridden. Okay. How to get the value? How to get the value? Simple. User dot name. It is not get name. It is only name. Why? Because there is no setter. There is no setter. Why? That point I will discuss. I will discuss. Okay, now see. Simple name like method. Okay, like properties and name and method. Names are same. Okay. So Java C again and Java test. Yes. Now only names we are getting. Fine. Now no setters are there, only getters are there. Why? Because one restriction is there. Restriction is it is immutable object. Immutable object. Okay, that means what? Immutable object means you cannot change the value once you instantiate the object. Fine, guys. That's why you cannot set the value at runtime. While you are creating the object, you are providing some value now. That will be only used. If you know Spring Boot, in Spring Boot we need some types of DTO classes. DTO classes. Okay, if you know Spring Boot or if you know the layered architecture, then DTO classes are required, and for DTO classes, best suitable classes are record classes. Fine, guys. Do you have any question in the record class? Now, obviously, it is not the end-to-end discussion of the record. There are so many things. How inside Flower bases, what are the things we can write? How to change the constructor behavior? So many things are there, but at least we are going to give you the concept of record class, so that whenever you are facing the next interview, at least you can say that I am aware of the Java 17 features. Guys, respond, guys. Any question from the record class up to this? Any problem? Any problem up to this? Okay, fine, no problem. Very good. Even if you have any problem, you can ask me at the end of the session. I am personally going to talk to you. Okay, no problem. Now, instance of operator. Instance of operator is actually there from the beginning day of the Java. Okay, from the beginning day of the Java. Now, there is some changes or some enhancement in the again Java 16. Okay, again in the Java 16. So that is the thing that I am going to teach you here. At this moment, I'm going to comment out this record declaration and this portion also. Or guys, if you are feeling that this is clumsy, then I will rewrite the code. What will you say? Tell me, guys. Should I take a brand new Java file, or I can continue here? Guys, is it looking clumsy or I can continue? Okay, it's okay. Very good. Now, it is what instance of. Now, I am going to show you the basic instance of multi-usage. Okay. Suppose object obj is equal to name string. Then here I am writing my name. Fine. Now, you know that. You know, object class reference variable can be used to hold any type of object in the world. Okay. Because object is the superclass of all class. Okay. So that's why if any object is coming, object means java.lang.object type object is coming means you have to check the type. Okay, so that's why if obj is instance of, now how to check it is the string type or not? You can write only string. Now, as a string belongs to java.lang package, no need to import. Otherwise, you can write a fully qualified list like com.abc.string or com.boolean dot some boolean class. Okay, boolean I'm taking because boolean is the institute name. Now, if it is instance of string, then safe to use. What to string class related methods. Okay, so if it is string, then only system dot out dot println, and here you are writing uh, obj dot to string. Will it work, guys? Sorry, not to string, suppose to uppercase. Will it work, guys? How many of you can say? How many of you can say will it work? Anybody? Response please, guys. Think carefully and tell me, will it work? Actually, it will not. Actually, it will not. Why? Because the type is object. In the object class, to uppercase method is not there. So to access this, you have to typecast this string, typecast this object into string, and then call like this. So it is very complex. Very complex. Before Java 16, it is very complex. Now see, Java C, no error, and Java. Now it is perfectly working. Okay. Now this typecasting is very essential. You can see if it is not there, then compilation error will be get. We are getting compilation error. Okay, so cannot find symbol because obj is what reference of object. So two uppercase method is not present. Okay, two uppercase method is not present. That's why we have to convert this into the string type. Okay, now Java 16 people are coming and they have enhanced the instance of operator. They are giving you the opportunity to typecast this immediately. That means you define string str here directly and use this str here. Easy enough? Easy or not, guys? No need to typecast, no need to write the complex syntax. Easy or not, guys? That means now string str will be converted. That means obj will be converted to str string only when it is the instance of string. Fine. So now save this and try to execute. Obviously, we are in the Java 17, that's why it will work. Line number 27 and 22, 28, fine. So the thing is, earlier what was there? Earlier it is only instance of string class. That means if the object is really string object, then convert this object. That means typecast this object into string first. Let me simplify this. It is a string str is equal to like this. And then str dot to uppercase. Is this understood? Is this understood? Up to this is enough. That means if the object is really string object, then safe to typecast. First, before typecast, safe. It is safe. Now, the Java 16 failure, Java 16 enhancement is telling, no need to typecast like this. you can simply ignore this line number 28 and you can declare this str here. Now is it understandable? Yes or not? Is it understandable now? That means if it is the instance of string, then obviously it is 100% correct that this object can be typecasted to java.lang.string type. Easy. Okay. Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt, guys? Clear? Very good. Now my favorite field class. Okay. Now all of you be active here. Be active here. Everyone from your point of view, tell me how many types of friends you have seen in your college. How many types of friends? That means you can categorize. The 3 types, 2 types, like this. Everyone be active here. Your knowledge is very essential here. Otherwise, a sealed class discussion is not possible. How many types of friends you have seen? That means some friends are very bad. They are doing like this. Now here you are getting the scope. Whatever you want to say them, say here in the chat box. And I am mentioning it is Java 17 enhancement. Okay. Now tell me, how many types of friends you have seen in your college? Three types. Can you please write what are the types? 3 types. Ah, that's why friendship then. So what are the types of friends? Uh, so 3 types. Can you please write? Who are you, Karthik? Karthik, can you please write what are the types? 3 types you are telling. Introverts, extroverts, and they don't care. Very good. Karthik, I'm very happy to see you respond. Anyone else? Do you want to try? Anyone else? Do you want to try? What are the types of friends you have in your classmates, in your batchmate, in your school life, whatever? Even you can say what are the types of colleagues you have. Okay, by the way, I am taking your answer, Karthik. Okay, I am taking your answer. Introverts. Introverts. Now, do you know in a Java, which type of classes are introverts? Which type of classes are introverts? Final classes. Final classes. Okay, public final class. Any final class means cannot be inherited like this. Okay, so suppose your introvert class is a final class. Assume for the timing, assume this is an introvert class which is a final class. Then what will happen? If you are coming, so public class, you are simple class now. You are simple class, so you are very good fellow. So public class you are trying to extend introvert. Possible or not? Possible or not? Tell me, possible or not? Sorry, extends introvert. Possible or not? Not possible. Not possible because it is introvert class now. It is not giving the permission to extend anyone. Okay, so that's why it's not possible. Fine. And now talking about extrovert. Extrovert means they are telling, I can talk to anybody. I can talk to anybody. So public, it is like a simple class. Okay, so I can talk to anybody. So it is what a public class. Okay, public class extrovert. Extrovert means what? Anybody can inherit. Anybody can inherit. That means if if you are going and you want to extend, okay, so public class. So you are a class. Maybe you are a class or you are the object of a class. Maybe assume for the timing. So you are going to extends the extroverts, right? Extrovert. Okay, possible or not? Respond, guys. Possible or not? Is this possible? Obviously possible, 100% possible. Okay. Because it is extrovert. And now you guys be honest and tell me, have you ever seen extroverts also having boyfriends or girlfriends? Be honest and respond. Extroverts also having boyfriend or girlfriend. That means they are in a relationship. Be honest. Possible. Yes, possible. Now, what are the things happening for the extroverts? You are going, you are talking, not responding, but the particular fellow is going and can talk easily. Now, this is a concept of a sealed class. That means this particular class, that means extrovert class, is not only a simple class. It is even sealed class. Sealed class. That means now I'm taking another class like public sealed class. Suppose it is your I'm just assuming it is a boy. Okay. If you are a girl, if you are a girl, then please don't think anything else. I am going to take your class also. Okay. At this moment, assume this is a boy class. Okay. So it is giving the permit. Okay. So it is permitting the girl, a particular girl. Okay. So you can give their name. Okay. You can give a name here. Replace your name and your girlfriend name. Okay. Or if you are a girl, then replace your name with the boy and replace your boyfriend's name with the girl. Fine. Now the thing is, what is happening? Introverts talking to everybody. Extroverts are not talking to everyone. Okay. And now the sealed class is only talking to this particular girl or boy. Understood, guys? The scenario. Have you understood? Respond, guys. Have you understood the scenario? A particular type of class giving the permission to a particular class. Fine. Now what is happening? Now this girl is coming. Okay. Now this girl is coming and trying to extend for this boy. Possible or not? Easily possible. Easily possible. Why? Because the boy is already giving the permission to this girl. That means yes, we are in a relationship. We can share. Now there is a problem with this particular fellow. Okay. Now don't be personal here. There is a problem of this girl. Okay. Or there is a problem of this fellow. Let me. Otherwise, you will definitely going to scold me after this session. It is a fellow. Okay. And instead of writing boy, I am giving some person. Because I'm going to write something, and after looking that, you are definitely going to give me some kind of scold after the session. Now, there is a problem of this fellow. How many types of problems are there? That fellow can easily share all secrets to everybody. Can happen or not? Tell me. Tell me. This can happen in real life. It can happen or not? That means these two person and fellow is in a relationship. Fellow person is very loyal, no problem. But the fellow easily is sharing all secrets to everyone. Possible? Another scenario. See, another scenario is what? The fellow is also a very loyal. It is also possible. But, actually, I have to keep this in the past position. But by the way, don't be personal here. So fellow is also very loyal. Maybe. Okay. And can you tell me another type of fellow? One type of fellow is sharing everything. Another type of fellow is very loyal. Okay. Another type. Can you guys guess? Can you guys guess? This is very interesting actually. The story is very interesting. Number C, a fellow is also in a relationship. With someone else. Possible or not, guys? Tell me. Everybody. First, accept these three points, then only you will accept the actual technology. Because all these I am telling, because this will be implemented to this particular fellow. Okay, so for this particular fellow, any of these three must happen in real world. Okay, so that's why in technical world, in technical terminology, what we will say, if the fellow can easily share all secrets, then it will be called as a non-sealed. Remember this, non-sealed. If the fellow is also very loyal, then it is also similar type of extrovert. Sorry, similar type of introvert. Okay, so it will be called as final. And the fellow is also in a relationship with someone else, means again it is sealed. Again it is sealed. That means it is again giving the permission to someone else. Understood? Now we have to implement this. Simple, very simple. Public sealed class. This declaration I am taking here. Okay, so I'm commenting out all this. Okay, now this test class is not required. Acha, better to take a new class, new Java file. Okay, new Java file. So public class is sealed, or I'm not writing public. Why? Because if I write the public keyword, then we have to take only single class per Java file. Okay, forget about the public at this moment. Now this is single sealed class person permits the fellow. Okay, so that's why the class, some type of class, that means among those three type you have to write here. So class, now in place of this dash, something will happen. Something means either non-sealed or final or sealed. Okay, so this fellow, this is as simple as class. Okay, now I am saving this as test1.java. Okay, so what will happen? Two classes are there, two fellows are there, two fellows are in a relationship. Now person is extrovert but loyal to fellow, but fellow either loyal or not loyal. That means sharing all secrets to everybody. And fellow can be in a relationship, sorry, in a relationship with someone else. That means, first of all, see, maybe it is non-sealed. Non-sealed. That means what will happen? Anybody else may come and can ask anything, and fellow will give the response. Okay. First, at least save this code and save, compile. Try to compile. Okay. So Java C, it is what? Test1.java. Okay. So there is some problem. Class non-sealed. Non-sealed is not working like this. Then what is the problem? Non-hyphen public non-sealed. Acha, class we have to write it later. Okay. My bad. Non-sealed class fellow in this. So, right. Okay. CLS Java C test1.java. Invalid permits clause. Subclass fellow must extend. Acha, that's one. That means now you have to extend. Okay, you have the permission, so better to extend. Okay, extends permission. Okay, can you see this error message? Beautiful error message, na? Non-sealed modifier not allowed here. What is the problem? Class fellow does not have any sealed super types. That means subclass fellow must extend the sealed class. So beautiful error message. Okay, now again, no problem. Okay, so at this moment, what will happen? That means person is in a relationship with fellow, but fellow is sharing everything to anybody else. That means now you can come and you can easily extend the fellow. So class U extends fellow. Possible or not? Possible or not? Tell me guys, possible or not? What will happen? Before I compile, possible? Yes. Let's see. Again, Java C, possible. No compilation error means possible. Okay. Now this is a type of fellow. This is a type of fellow. Now another type of fellow, that is fellow is very loyal. That means again, this fellow must be final class. So obviously, you know, now extending this fellow is not possible. So save this and try to compile. You cannot inherit from final fellow. How beautiful error message. You cannot inherit from final fellow. Yes or not? So just you remove your contribution here. Let this person in a relationship be happy. Okay. And Java C test 100 Java no error. Okay. So this is second type of fellow. And now another type of fellow is again relationship with another fellow. That means what is this called actually, guys? Can you tell me what is this called? That means person is relationship with a fellow, fellow relationship with another fellow. So what is this called actually, guys? Can you tell me the terminology? I forgot the terminology. What is called? By the way, here you can see field class, fellow extends person, but giving the permits to another fellow. Okay, another fellow. Now again, another fellow will come. That means again three types of another fellow is possible. For this moment, I am taking final class, another fellow must extend fellow. Save this, try to execute, try to compile. Fine. So this fellow is another type of fellow. That means person is thinking fellow is with my relationship. That means I am relationship with the fellow. Another fellow is thinking I am in a relationship with the fellow. But can you see the behavior of the fellow? Accepting person, but permitting another fellow. Yes or not? In real time. In real time, what is the usage? Now, obviously, jokes are enough. But now you are thinking what are the implementation in real time? Do you know our system is having one date? Now I'm not talking about that date in the switch case. This date. Okay, 3rd August. Now this system date can be easily accessed by any operating system. Sorry, any software you are installing in the PC. Okay, so that your system date will be what, like extrovert public class. Yes or not? Yes or not, guys? So your system date is like extrovert. Okay. Now think about your Windows activation key. Okay, all of you have Windows and your Windows is activated with some key. Okay, now that key is very private. You don't want to share. That means it is final class. And now think about your uh, Windows specific email ID. Okay, here you can see here I have Windows specific email ID. So this is actually my email ID. Now what will happen for this email ID? Only Microsoft apps can access this email ID because currently I'm using what? Currently I'm using Windows. So that means given by Microsoft. So I can easily open Microsoft Teams. So automatically it will fetch this my email ID because this email ID is used to Windows operating system. I am using Microsoft Store. So automatically this email ID will be taken by Microsoft Store. Can you see this? So that's why here sealed class is required because after some time I am opening Google Chrome. I am opening Google Chrome. Google Chrome is not permitted to use my email ID, but Microsoft Edge possible. Are you getting the clarity, guys? So sharing all secret means real time usage is what? System date. System date. Now hello is also very loyal. Final class means what? It is your Windows private key. Windows private key. All these are implemented by using this inheritance logic. Na? So Windows private key cannot be accessed by everyone. And now, if it is in a relationship with, uh, sorry, it is system that means extrovert. Extrovert, okay? Now, Windows private key means introvert, right? And it is sealed. That means it is giving the permission to only someone. Only someone means it is sealed. Okay, so here it is sealed class means it is your Windows that means email ID used to login. That's it, guys. Now, guys, respond here and give me and ensure that you have here any doubt or not. Three types of hellos And why three types of fellows? Because sealed class is giving the permission to a fellow. Guys, respond here. Everybody. Five beautiful things. Five beautiful things for Java 17 enhancement we have discussed, and obviously from 11 to 17. Okay. If you need to know this 8 to 11 also, then you can also contact with us. We'll think about it. Fine. Anybody, any doubt? Anybody, any doubt? Uh, do you want me to actually repeat the entire sealed class once again? Confirm me. Have you not understood anything in the record class? Actually, record class is a big discussion. Okay, so if the thing is you have not understood anything in the record class, then please contact with me after the session. Then I will help you. And if you are talking that I have only doubt on this particular section, then you tell me. I will obviously discuss. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else, guys? Otherwise, we will end the session because sorry, Java 17 enhancements, and these five topics we have designed for this workshop class. Okay, that's it for today. We will definitely meet in the next session. Fine, guys.